Again, I am back with a new video tutorial which is related to the Italy VPS Server hosting. As you know that I am from Onlive Server. Onlive Server is the leading server hosting company which provide all type of hosting solution and hosting plan like dedicated server, as you are seeing that, and VPS server, cloud server hosting, and web hosting plans. So in this video tutorial we will explain about Italy VPS server hosting. So I have already explained about the VPS server hosting of the first and second plan. That is, I have already explained. Now in this video tutorial we will explain about the third one plan. Okay, now whenever you log into the Onlive server, that is onliveserver.com, that here you will get some of the navigations option like dedicated VPS, and you require the VPS server hosting plan. So just click on the VPS option. Whenever you log into the VPS option, here you can search your targeted location like Italy VPS server hosting. Now click on the Italy VPS server hosting. Here you will get 4 plan, that is I have already explained the first plan and the second plan. Okay, now in this video tutorial I will explain about the VPS server hosting Z plan. Okay, so basically Onlive server provide the fully managed Italy VPS server hosting plan that is available by the top ranked company, that is the best suitable for all type of online business. Okay, and this plan is the best suitable for the fully e-commerce based company or category, and this plan is also the best suitable for the gaming site, because this plan will provide you the complete or better configuration like up to 4 core processor you will get with this plan, and 4 GB of RAM, 120 GB of hard disk, and up to approximate 4,000 GB of the bandwidth, and the plan is based on the KVM based. Okay, and this plan available at just $59. So just click on the buy now button. Whenever you click on the buy now button, then configure page will be displayed, and this page will show you complete information about your plan, like you will get up to 4 core processor with this plan, and 4 GB of RAM, and 120 GB of the space or hard disk, and absolutely you will get 1 dedicated IP also, and this plan are available at a fully managed service. Okay, and the help you can get if you face some of or any kind of the any kind of the problem or any kind of the issues. You can contact us via the Skype or ticket. You can contact via the live chat also or email also, like info@onliveserver.com, and just scroll the page. Here you will have to fill some of the information, just like here fill your domain name, like whatever you want, your domain name, okay. Now fill your password, whatever you want to keep it. Now scroll some one more time. 9. Here you will get some of the operating systems, dedicated IP, data center informations, additional bandwidth or control panel informations. So if you think that you require some of additional or other control panel, so choose according to your convenient. Here are available wide range of control panels like Z panel, WebMean, Centura, and Santos, Virtual Mean. These are some of the free control panels. Okay, and here are also available some of the chargeable control panel, just like a C panel or some of the premium or some of the chargeable control panels. So choose according to your convenient, and some of the operating system, and these operating systems are free, and these are the chargeable, like Windows based operating systems are the chargeable, and Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS based operating systems are the free, absolutely free, without any charge available, and the data centers are available in Milan, Italy. Okay, so after getting these information, just click on the continue button. Whenever you click on the continue button, here you will get a review and checkout page. So just click on the checkout page option. Now here you have to fill some of the necessary information, just like first name, last name, phone number, email address, and some of the company information like company name and addresses. Okay, now scroll the page. Here you will get some of the additional information about the payment method, whatever you want to choose according to your convenient, like PayUmoney, Bitcoin, or PayPal. If you are related to the India based, or if you are from India, you can choose the Paytm or net banking or UPI. You can choose anyone. And if you are from the out of country, then you can choose the PayU Money or PayPal option is the best suitable for you. So after getting the payment method, just complete your order. Okay, click here to complete your order and do the payment. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video, like this video. If you think that this is beneficial for you, and you can share this video, like this video. Keep smiling and keep sharing. Thank you.